We will never move off it and see an argument.
This
already.
is where how I turned the wheel before, and you're telling him that me I go that way there, and you are mixing me up. This is how I turned the vehicle a while ago.
Help. Help.
You are not the best person to teach me.
Help. Whatever.
Driving lessons, we start at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
But people always up on the road.
No,
This.
but less persons. Like this hours where you go out now. People are come forward.
Anyways. Wagwan people, welcome back to another video. I don't know, say yo, it's thems.
And that.
Yeah, so today she finally decided, say yo, she gonna try this driving thing. After me I try to teach her to drive for around 10 years now?
Oh, that. Not 10 years.
I lie myself. I don't run 10 years, but for a number of years. But she always afraid of the road, and she always timid for drive and stuff. So chip into local English. In today's video, guys, I'll be trying to be a good instructor. I have on my driving instructor hat and take off my husband hat and friend hat and all of that. Right now, a business me upon. A driving where I deal with, and then a friend thing me I deal with. You understand? And then a friend thing me I deal with. Okay. A driving where I deal with. So we just decided to take you guys on a journey with us today, because you know our journey is always shared with you guys. Again, you know, if you are already been a part of our family, thank you guys for supporting us. If you are watching our video, guys, and you have not yet subscribed, please go and subscribe. It really helps us out. We are en route to 1,000 subscribers, which to us is a big deal, because we know our journey and everybody's journey is different. So please, guys, help us tip over the 1,000 subscriber mark there. We've been trying for a little bit now. We're close. Hopefully by the time that video here drop, we can reach 1,000 subscriber. So we're gonna ready?
May I try to chill? That just get me nervous. Honestly, you just get me nervous. I just feel nervous all over.
What do you mean by you feel nervous all over, babes? Relax. Relax. Okay, guys. So as I said, not have a little phobia about driving, so I try to make it as relaxed as possible. Malika, build a bridging. Bring up my glass.
Anyways,
alright, babe. So
my first things. Let me go on the team.
Okay, what the first thing I do?
I set my mirrors then.
Alright.
Then whatever. Yeah. So yeah. Can I see that one there? Over there, so right.
Yeah, she said she'll start out to mirror them.
Oh. Can I see?
Stuff. You can see it, alright? So okay. So again, babe, just a little crash course quickly. You know your gas and you know your brakes. And of course, what we're not do with gas and brakes, we're not mix them up. we're not mix up your gas and we're not mix up your brakes, because that is a common mistake, and that are the most lethal of mistakes, right? So your brakes are always the big one and the gas are always the small one. Obvious reasons, right? Of course, you know you're on the right there, so everything else, I think you fairly know how to control the vehicle. You know your indicator or your signal and stuff, and yeah, you know your light and all of them stuff, right? So today's lessons, guys, is courtesy of the Andersons. As I said, please go and subscribe. And of course, if you have taught somebody to drive before already and you're watching this video and you have any tips that you can give to Nuts, because I'm not really the best teacher, if I'm being honest. What do you mean by no? You have me in a bun up, lock up all the window, they want to turn on the AC.
Look, fresh air.
Bring up a window.
A +7.
Bring up a window, because you're going to drive and it's easier when you learn when the AC and stuff.
A +7 now, we can go on.
Okay.
Cool, nice.
Yeah, so if you have any tips, if you have taught somebody to drive and you feel like, say, you have good ideas and stuff, we are open.
Because to get over this phobia, man, this thing.
Okay.
You need to get over it.
Okay, so now we are going to drive. We're going to go up on the big road. She get our license what there, and our general license, but our license we get her permission to go up on the main road. Yeah, we have another video where we talk about how she got it on the first try. So I could see if I swat, she swat and pass the exam, or if it was The fact that she can actually do a thing. Okay, babes. We have to put the car in a drive. We're ready for moving now. So of course you have a foot on the brakes, yeah? Keep a foot on the brakes, keep a turn the steer, look at your steering turn.
Where turn on?
I saw the steer carry go, you know. This one is steering turn now.
You say it's straight.
No, it's straight.
Yeah. And so me turn that way, yeah?
Why you go turn away there?
That's why me turn that way there a while ago.
You see, I'm telling people, we will never move off it and see an argument.
This is where how I turned the wheel before, and you're telling that me I go that way there, and you are mixing me up. This is how I turned the vehicle a while ago.
Help. Help.
You are not the best person to teach me to drive.
Help. Whatever.
See straight there. And this is how I turned it the first time, and you're telling me to turn it. So I'm straightening it back, and me turn it back, and I said that way there.
Anyways, okay, we can move now?
No.
You can't drive. Which way are you going? You're going that way. So you want to look, you want to make sure so your environment is safe to move, and then you do your thing.
That's what I did from first.
I tell you, I'm not paying no listen for nobody else teach you to drive, so you better learn to drive.
You're going to say that, yeah. Straighten up. Alright. You're going down, check the glass. If somebody will come out of their place there. Now.
Okay, you remember to put on your indicator. You come into a area.
I'm going to see the road if I'm not.
So you know each inch forward, look more and you drive, keep the car steady, and then when you can see a stop, I always tell her that. What if it's a stop sign or whatever, you stop where you can see the road.
That is what I'm doing.
Take your foot off, I guess.
Maybe we'll come.
So the car still a move and then people are come. Turn your indicator. Okay, then now cross.
No, now we're on traffic. Yeah, they can't move. I'm afraid.
Alright, watch out now, babes. Just take your time. Just ease up off our brakes. No gas. Go closer to the road.
After that, we're going.
Alright, make sure your car stop. No. Your car not stop. Make your car stop.
Stop.
Your car just stop.
Yeah. So me couldn't make it a while ago. Me stop all long. Me couldn't make it a while ago.
No, I don't want you to go so close, call. So like a road free now? Yeah, you can go in now.
I'm not close call that them, man.
Alright.
Turn on the AC, please.
Turn it on?
Turn it on.
Put it on. You just take a while for cool and place that. How you feel?
You just want me feel uncomfortable. Because I want to go make you car. Go and be seen as a toilet. Go and be brave. Yo, trust me. You're not the best person to teach me drive. I'll tell you. Slow down construction.
Lucky, you better tell them right now, man, a friend. A driving instructor team me up on right now. That me I tell you. Man, I don't know you right now. It's a job me I do. You start cruise down. You start say stop before you come off, I guess, up on the brakes. You start slow down, you start slow down, you start slow down, start slow down. Make sure so by the time you reach in a safe stopping distance, you can stop comfortable. Perfect. You go look just based on what you want to. Perfect. See that? Those shots we can't teach her to drive. Smile, babes.
Yes, sir.
If I want to go closer, you just ease up off of your brakes and go look closer and stuff. Yeah, you move off or ease up, you go. Just keep a lane. Go, green light.
You want me to just rev off some?
Depends.
Depends on what?
And where I go. Or where I car rev off. Yeah, but I try to make one little cynical joke, but that never really funny a while ago. What is the speed limit?
70.
Okay. Oh, you guessed there.
Almost done.
Yes, almost done, so I make a run out, I guess.
I know for me, this is not my car. You should make sure someone driving instruction for you have gas in a car before they go. Now, pay
How fast I go?
73. 71, but you always say you can go back.
Now when you have a new driver sticker back in your car.
Just make me feel nervous.
They just make you feel nervous. Get us to our destination now. Why you going down at 54? Hey babes? Why you going down at 54? No, man say, oh, you're not have to go over 70, you can keep it like 65, 68-ish. And thing, I don't expect you to go 75 and 70 as a new driver. But I don't expect you to go 50. Yeah, we get pulled over if you're going too slow. That hazardous. So their brakes well done. I feel that, yeah. Yeah, slow. Slow. And then they reach the line. Oh, that don't feel good a while ago. That don't feel good a while ago. No, a while ago. That stuff don't feel good a while ago. You don't feel comfortable.
No, you just feel so nervous. Oh shit, I'm going the big hill long. Shit.
Stop this swearing. People are watching over there.
SHYT is not swearing. Man, I like it.
Just relax.
No,
Watch out now. Just relax. It's the basics, babes. So stay in your lane and you shadow your brakes and you go at the speed where you're comfortable with.
Then me go 50.
Yeah, but you don't want to go too slow either. Yeah, you can go comfortable more faster than that. Right? And right here, so of course you know you're staying at the right lane because the road will get narrower up top right there. So. Okay, yeah, still a sinky gas. Basic, just relax. Keep in your lane. Focus on your lane. Focus on your speed. Control the car. And just do the basics still. You do a good job. In spite of how I make you feel. Don't get intimidated. Don't carry a drift off of the road. Don't get intimidated. Keep your car steady. Stay in a middle of your lane. Look in front of you and drive your car. A 70 speed limit, same. But not to go too fast, just drive to the speed of course you're comfortable because you have a new driver sticker, so do your thing. But don't drift too far to the right side of the lane. Stay closer in the middle of the lane. Right? Of course you know it, babes. It's all about just being comfortable and just doing your thing. Hey! Why overtake a while ago? You're not turning steering. It's the road turn and you still have a steering straight. course, guys, as I said, if you guys have any tips that you can share in terms of what would make Nat's driving experience a little bit better, of course, we're open to suggestion.
You're laughing.
You know, open to suggestion? Mm-hmm. You not see road? Why you tip up like say you not see?
No, it's not tip up, man. My sinus is with my face. Okay.
All of a sudden your sinus start bother you. Your hand start hurt you. Your foot start hurt you. Your face start everything starts up all of a sudden. My God, she's so focused. Oh man. Babes, don't worry about it, you'll get it. Everything in life, you know, comes with practice. Nobody never born knowing how to do anything. No, I know all of that. Let me give a motivational speech.
I just need to get over this fear. I need to just come out. I don't know. I know all of that. I just need to get over this fear, man.
Alright, can I give a speech now? I'm gonna give a speech. Well, man, this speech is not only for you. This speech is for everybody who's watching this video. Everything in life, like Nat's the right here, so right now I struggle with driving, but another month from now, she'll go get it. She'll go alright at it and she'll go good at it. And this is a life lesson, people. It no matter which journey in your life right now seem difficult, just keep at it, just keep pushing, keep trying, and best believe say yo, you're gonna practice that skill there, or you're gonna practice, you're gonna perfect that skill there. You go, babes, you drift. Stop right the steering.
Alright, see them. Am I okay now?
Why should I give me a heart attack? Yeah, as I was saying, people, it doesn't matter which skill you find difficult to master. Just keep practicing, just believe so you can do it. And with time, you'll perfect that skill, right? Because right now, she's really nervous and she's really whatever.
If somebody knows how to get over this fear, please tell me. I don't know. I just need to get over it.
Yeah.
You should shake it off.
And I try every trick in our book, people. I try to tell her, say, everybody go through that phase here and all of that, and basically, it not really work out because you not really help, right? And stuff. Look on her face. Look on her face. Babes, I can't make Malika could drive before.
She can't drive before. I have no problem. Chauffeur driven out, I'll take it. I'm good. She was like, okay, mom, we're going to the store. And drive me. I'm good with that.
Okay, guys, so I guess the camera is making us a little bit more anxious right now. So you know what, I'm just gonna end the video right here. And plus Malika is in the back and she's getting a little bit frustrated as well, right? So peace out, guys. Thanks for coming on this journey with us today. It was just a short video. We just wanted to show you guys our journey as usual. Yeah, so what they, as we said, we're showing us that she get her learner, so we're want to show her what she can do on the road. Yeah. And stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for leaving a comment as usual, and thanks for liking, and absolutely thanks for subscribing. Until next week, until we drop the other video, big up on yourself, keep safe, keep trying whatever that is, don't give up, and know say the universe is in your favor. Give thanks, big up, next time.